Hi, I'm Azadeh, interior designer and founder of Blend Studio. This is Blend Talk Material, where we go beyond the surface and talk about how materials actually shape the way we live. In today's episode, we are talking about engineered quartz surfaces. And today, we'll use Silestone as a real example to understand this category. Before we go into the material itself, I want to clarify something that often creates confusion. Natural quartz is a mineral that exists in nature. What we call engineered quartz is a material that is created by combining natural quartz particles with resins and pigments. So instead of extracting a slab directly from nature, we are designing and controlling the material from the beginning. And this is exactly why this category exists. Silestone started as an engineered quartz surfaces, and today it has evolved into what Cosentino calls a hybrid mineral surface, combining minerals, recycled materials, and a more advanced formulation. Natural materials are beautiful, but they come with certain limitations. They can be porous, they may require sealing, and they often have inconsistencies in pattern and color. For some clients, that's a part of the charm, but for many others, especially in everyday residential projects, that unpredictability becomes a challenge. Engineered quartz was developed to solve that. It gives you the look of a stone, but with more control and more consistency and easier maintenance. When I work with the materials, one of the first things I notice is how it feels in a space. It works very well in the spaces where we want a sense of comfort and balance, rather than a very sharp or technical expressions. In terms of performance, engineered quartz is very reliable for everyday use. It's non-porous, which means it doesn't absorb liquids and doesn't require sealing. It's also stain-resistant, which makes it ideal for kitchen where spills are part of daily life. Cleaning is simple, and that's something clients really appreciate over time. At the same time, it's important to understand its limitations. Unlike ultra-compact surfaces, engineered quartz is not heat-proof. The resins inside the material can be affected by high temperatures, so placing hot cookware directly on the surface is not recommended. It's also not the best options for outdoor use because prolonged exposure to UV light can affect its color and performance. So again, it's not about whether a material is good or bad. It's about using it in the right context. One of the biggest advantages of engineered quartz is the level of control it gives you in design. The patterns are consistent, the colors are predictable, and you can coordinate it very precisely with cabinetry, flooring, and other finishes. This makes the design process smoother, especially when you are trying to create a very cohesive and balanced space. You can find a wide range of styles, from very clean, minimal surfaces to marble-inspired patterns with soft veinings. But what's interesting is that recent trends are moving away from high contrast and toward more subtle, natural expressions. Softer tones, warmer neutrals, and more refined textures are becoming more popular, especially in projects that aim for a calm and timeless feeling. In terms of application, engineered quartz works best in interior spaces. It's commonly used for kitchen countertops, bathroom vanities, and sometimes backsplashes or wall surfaces. It performs very well in these areas because it balances durability with ease of maintenance. Personally, I often choose engineered quartz when I want to reduce risk in a project. It's predictable, it performs well, and it's easy for clients to live with. Not every project needs a highly technical material. Sometimes what you need is something reliable, clean, and well balanced, and this material does that very well. There are also some common mistakes that I see. One of them is treating engineered quartz like natural stone or like ultra-compact surfaces. For example, placing hot pans directly on it can cause damage, and that's something many people don't realize. Another mistake is using it in outdoor applications where it's not designed to perform long-term. And sometimes people choose it purely based on appearance without thinking about how they actually use their space. Material selection should always be connected to lifestyle, not just aesthetic. There are also a few questions that come up very often. Yes, it's very practical, easy to clean, and durable for everyday use. Because it's non-porous, it's very resistant to staining, which makes it a strong option for kitchen. It is resistant, but not completely scratch-proof, so basic care is still important. And of course, there's always the comparison with other materials. Is it better than natural stone? Is it better than ultra-compact surfaces? And again, my answer is always the same. It's not about better or worse. It's about choosing the right material for the right purpose. In terms of cost, engineered quartz usually sits in the mid to high range, depending on the brand and design. But for many projects, it offers a very good balance between price, performance, and appearance. So overall, engineered quartz is about balance. It sits somewhere between natural beauty and engineered performance. It doesn't try to replace natural materials, and it doesn't aim to be the most technical solution. Instead, it offers something very practical: consistency, reliability, and ease of use. And in many projects, that's exactly what makes a space feel effortless and well-designed. This series follows my ongoing journey with materials. I see you in the next episode of Blend Talk Material. Don't forget to follow and subscribe.